Hello people, I will show you the good way how I work with UV Unwrap modifier, because sometimes it's a little bit tricky to texture object. I prefer to work with the earth selections. This will help you. This works better for me, and I use occluded option and for polygon paint selection. Now I will assign my material upper wall. There is beautiful option in modifier UV unwrap, UVW unwrap. I will deselect this and this. Thin instead of thick. Open UV editor. Plug in my material ID. Then I want to use option this. This beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff, because you can see our texture has been unwrapped according to shape of this polygon. Don't worry if you only work with one selection of polygon, that's fine. Occluded. This option doesn't allow you to select invisible polygons. You only will select frontal polygon. I will have to assign my material. And I will use auto smooth. Auto smooth. UV image editor has auto smooth option. Why UV unwrap is not? Oh yes, it is here. I thought it wasn't here. I find it better. We have option like flatten by smoothing group and this LSCM. Wonderful stuff. I like how this option works. I didn't mention in my video tutorials about this. Like that you can scale. Or like that. I wish I knew shortcut keyboard. How to scale up, how to scale wide. And bottom polygon. Because if you wanted to select all frame, all polygon, I messed up a little bit, because I couldn't really select exactly as I wanted. I'm sad because I have to go to sleep in a minute. Auto smooth, modifiers, UV coordinates, UV unwrap. Unfold not always working, that is why I have chosen LSCM option. Okay people, I hope you like my video tutorial. Sometimes it's not possible to scale. If you have this problem, you can double click on that window and it becomes active again. I think texturing works for me the best when I select a single polygon like that. And then you can switch to brush and selection. I'm happy that this tool works okay. At least it works. Sometimes it is worth to check all the settings of program including UV Unwrap because I thought unfold would work okay for polygons like that because I have to texture windows. I hope you like my video tutorial.